How to leave a group in the Splitwise app. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you on a quick way to leave any group on Splitwise. But before we get started, do not forget to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Splitwise app and then make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see here, I'm already logged in and I have two groups here. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the first group right here. And to leave the group or to change any settings of the group, you typically want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. So if you are the admin of the group, you will have an option to invite via link or add people to the group. Then if you want, you could also simplify group deaths. And finally, down here, you have two options. If you are the admin, you have an option to delete the group, or you can simply leave it. So just tap on leave group and then confirm that you want to leave the group. And once you have done that, as you can see, it is not letting me leave it because I'm the only member left here, but if there are other members, you will be able to leave. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next one.